the hospital. How do you feel?
Okay.
So, what are the suggestions you got from other people, and what was your plan to do?
Sure. It's myself, Ashwini, wife of Pradeep. Actually, my husband suffered a brain stroke, very massive brain stroke it was. And he was in a very bad condition when I brought him to Avanta Healthcare. And we have stayed here for around 13 months, I think. And when we came, it was very bad situation. But I don't want to remember those. But I'm taking him very healthy and very happily from here. I would like to share my experience about Avanta Healthcare. And first thing, I want to just give hats off to nursing team, especially the nurses, because they are the one who took care of my husband like anything. Even I was just used to come 1 or 2 hours or a day, but remaining 24 hours, they only took care. And being the young generation of nursing, they took care of everything, starting from his cleaning of diaper to full feed, and that is a very hats of work done by the nursing team. And the thing is I just want to share. And in our, at least in hospitals and all, we have a different sections for cleaning and other things. But here, nurses are the one who did everything for Pradeep. Because just I was an outsider for 1 or 2 hours for Avanta, but everything was taken care by the nurses team. So I want to just congratulate and hats off to nurses.
Thank you. Ma'am, what was his condition actually after the discharge? Like,
Yeah, and in Apollo, that was a second admission when we brought him to Avanta. He
Okay.
was there for 43 to 44 days in ICU. Directly from ICU, we brought him to Avanta. He was unaware of all the materialistic things about the world also. Even he was not recognizing me also. Just he used to open the eyes and he used to just blink. And just with eyelids movement, he used to see me. Not even a smile, not even anything, all full of bandages on the skull and here also. And full, he was just only, we could see his gown, that's it. Other things and all, he was very bad when I brought him here. He was not at all, he was conscious, and whenever we call Pradeep, he used to see us. But he was in a very bad condition that time when we brought him here.
after that, the window period, like the recovery period, like after accident, like after the discharge, like 6 to 5 months. How was his recovery?
Yeah, regarding recovery here, first he was having so many sepsis was the main reason why we brought him here. And I would like to mention here, because of Ashwini ma'am, Dr. Ashwini ma'am, we came to know, and she is our far relative and a family friend also. So because of her, we came to Avanta. And to be frank, I have seen almost all the rehabs of Bangalore. But because of the care and service here, I could concentrate on my career also and family, and even for taking care of Pradeep also. So that big thanks to Avanta. Because of them, I could concentrate in all the sectors of my life. And the main thing is regarding the recovery of Pradeep, it can be said around after 2 months we started seeing the recovery. And as usual, as said by Matthew sir and Robin sir, because of sepsis means and the infection, it takes time to settle down. So it took that time, and after that, after 2 months, he was recovering. He was recognizing us, and after that, he was having that neck one. He was full like a newborn baby. He was, and all the the mother was the Avanta Healthcare. I can say this is the rebirth place for him. That is the only thing I can say.
And during any emergency happened to him, like any kind of.
Yeah, only I think after 3 or 4 months of admission, he had that stones in his urinary bladder. That was the only emergency. And even that care also was taken good care by Rinki ma'am and other urologists also. And even Dr. Srinivas sir, I can't forget him also, because every night he used to take care of him. And even he was also a part of Pradeep's recovery. And even big thanks to him also. And like Dr. Pravya, I think was there. Praveen or something. Yeah, one person was there. Even he also took care.
Okay. And ma'am, in the recovery period, we know that the role and big play of physiotherapy team
Yes,
in
yes.
Avanda Healthcare. How was that like?
Yeah, regarding physiotherapy, it is also very good, because for a stroke patient, the physio may plays a very important role. And as you know, Pradeep is very introvert, I can say, because he doesn't mingle with anybody, and he is very what you can call it as very reserved. He doesn't mingle with anybody as open, and that part he was there still for him also. Now also it is there. So regarding physio, even they also did very good. So, but people will think physio plays a very important role, and every time we can't give aggressive physio. As I know, I have seen the full part of stroke patients, the full life. So I feel that stroke for a stroke patient, physio plays a very important role depending upon the condition. Not like just fast physio gives a very fast result. It depends upon the condition of a patient. If the patient is having fever or any other like hematuria or anything, whatever it is, we have to hold the physio for that day. But people have very bad like things thinking that physio is not done because we have to take care of the patient's conditions also. Accordingly, if the physio is given, we can see the fruitful result. The best example is Pradeep.
Right.
What he is there.
How about speech and swallow therapy?
Speech and swallow therapy that I can't forget also. I have to thank because after I think almost 15 months, after 15 months, I could listen the voice of Pradeep. That is because of speech therapy team. Especially I think Nidhya ma'am, she was the one who took care of that first. After that, thanks to Madhura ma'am, who took the good care. She was more patient. And when the Madhura ma'am took care of him, he was very aggressive. He was every day used to shout at her. He was not cooperating. But even through her patience level, she brought us to this level. So because of all the physio team, nursing team, and the speech therapy team, and also the admin team, because who took care of everything, and especially the full thanks to Robin sir and Matthew sir. Financial part sometimes I delayed also everything, but even then they also good take care, and this is the experience I have.
Understood. Ma'am, can you please tell something about the facility as well as
Yeah, sure.
the hygiene?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Anything? Do you have any feedback regarding
Yes, I
the
have.
hygiene and cross?
Yes, I have. Really, really. Okay, but regarding the facility and hygiene, where we usually nowadays we come with seeing the Google photos and all. But even we also came through that. But where sometimes we will be like misguided with the photos of the Google and the real picture. But in Avanta, I can confidently say whatever the pictures are there in Google, it is same as in the reality also. The first thing it impressed me because so many rehabs they give different kind of pictures and everything, but when we go there practically, it will not be so. But Avanta, I can't means like tell regarding that, but it has taken care of that full picture and hygiene. Every morning and evening, they used to take care of cleaning and sponge bath for him every day without fail, irrespective of his conditions or anything. And they took care of that everything and cleaning. That is what, as I mentioned before, only the nurses only took care of his feed, even cleaning and everything. Changing diaper, whatever it is, all the things they only did. So this is the hygiene part and the security wise. Every time the security will be there. Outsiders will not be allowed as and when required. With the only from the permission of the attenders only, the patients attenders can be seen the patients.
Yes.
So that is also there.
And ma'am, one more thing, we know that Pradeep sir had a wound in brain as well as a tracheostomy.
Yeah.
These are the sensitive area where patients can get infected.
Yes.
But at Avanta, you felt anything like he had any infection as well as how the dietitian role for him to become, restoring
Yes.
his health back.
Yeah. Actually, one thing I want to share here. I was not aware that the climatic conditions also play a very important role in patients' recovery. But when I met the first time Matthew sir especially, he like counseled like me anything means like in every part he explained me. Even the seasons like summer, winter and rainy season, even that also plays a very important role in patients' recovery. So when we came here, it was like winter. So in the summer, he was having a very good growth, and in between, suddenly he had some other what is called as kidney stones and all. That time, his creatinine level was very bad, and he went for a dialysis and everything. After that, the protein care was good taken care by Divya ma'am, one who is a nutritionist. Even she played a very important role, and because of her, we can give nowadays in the home food for Pradeep, whichever he likes. And the thing regarding tracheostomy, and he had a tracheostomy, RT feed, and also the urinary bag also. So all the things, all are like a foreign bodies for him, which are easily infected for him to get easily infection prone. But every 2 hours they used to change the position because of that. He did have a complaint of any bed sores, and every 2 hours they used to clean the urine bag, collected urine bag, and tracheostomy care. Every time they used to give either there is a secretion, there is a dry secretion, whatever. Every time the nurses took a very good care of Pradeep. That is the fruitful result. Today we are seeing him how he is.
Right. Anything you want to ask? I feel like everything completed. She within a 1 word itself she completed that. That's it, ma'am.
Yeah, wait, I will tell one more thing.
Huh?
Yeah, tell me.
Okay.
I will tell one.
If you want to recommend
Yes, yes, yes.
rehabilitation,
Yeah.
you can.
Yeah, okay, I will tell. See, Pradeep is from Apollo Hospital, and especially I want to mention this. Our Apollo duty means like the treating staff, like especially our neurosurgeon and also the neurologist. They are very happy with the care taken by the Avanta people. Now,
You can mention the doctor name.
names you can mention. Okay, Dr. Anirudh sir and Dr. Sandeep sir. They are the one who took care of Pradeep. And I can't forget them also. Even they are also very happy by seeing the Pradeep's improvement. And nowadays from Apollo also we are having a good feedback. And especially the marketing team, Anjali and Vincent sir. They are also having a good opinion about Apollo, and they are also meeting. And even so many patients, as we were in ICU for many days, we have some contact with the other patients also. Even we have referred so many patients, haven't even they have also got the good response, and some have taken the home care, some have taken the service in the hospital itself, and some have come to rehab also. So anytime, if any this one, I am there because I am the one who got a fruitful result from Avanta. And but one thing I want to say, any patients or anything, it takes time. And everything is not in only like the healthcare staff or anything. It is a time taking, and it depends upon our destiny also, fate, time, everything matters, not only the healthcare. So it is like our teamwork. I can say one word, the teamwork was very good in Avanta. So every time, whenever there is anybody comes, I first suggest Avanta. And I have seen majority of rehabs in Bangalore. But I'm very happy with the service, and because of few people, I could concentrate on my work, my family, my kids, and even their education also I could take it. So hats off to Avanta team.